The Safe Product Owner and Product Manager Certification Training course enables you to develop the skills needed to guide the delivery of value in a lean enterprise. During this 2-day course, you will gain an in-depth understanding of how to effectively perform your role in the Agile Release Train (ART) as it delivers value through program increments. Your trainer for this course will be a certified SAFe trainer and will provide an engaging and interactive online experience. The SAFe POPM training covers a range of processes, mechanics, and tools utilized to manage programs and address backlogs. It will help you become an integral part of the product development process and an expert capable of furthering business objectives through scaled agile frameworks. With this certification course, you will receive 2 days of online virtual class by an experienced instructor. SAFe POPM exam fee, 16 PDU and SEU, as well as digital training materials. At Skillier, we aim to transform lives all over the world by supporting girls' education. When you enroll in any course with us, you help transform a life by providing education to a girl in an underprivileged community through our mission partners. With Skillier, you upskill, get certified, and support girls' education. So, get started today.